Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of. Okay folks, I got some good news and I got some bad news. The good news is I'm not fired. Talked to the owners and I met the second owner today. He's a nice guy. Both of them are nice guys. And they decided that they want to go forward on the project and pull the engine. So the bad news is I need to park all this stuff for a little bit. And I'm not going to be showing you how to rivet bands today. So we're going to take these band linings, we're going to put them in a box. He brought new springs, which, why would you even put that in a package looking like that? That's insane. I wouldn't sell anything that looked like that. Yeah, anyway, we can repaint that. Blech. He also came with the Lang's, looks like there's a piece missing. He came with the Lang's riveting tool, which I'm at a loss for words here. That looks like it's, okay, so that's a drill bit. Maybe. There was more pieces in the picture. So this must go like that. And then this must go, that must hold it in the vise, I'm assuming. We'll try it out eventually, but for now it's going to go in the box. So step one is going to be removing the coil box, getting these wires out of my way again. Let's put these two over. We left them out yesterday. We're going to take off the coil box, we're going to take off the headlight bar, we're going to take off the radiator. Everywhere I put these, they're in the way. And they're off. I'll put them on the roof. Alright, radiator's next. Okay. Well now, there's the money shot. Okay. This is how my day's going. Alright. Okay, let's get back to what we're actually doing. Wrong way. Light. It's still got a full charge. I've been using that for all these videos and still got a full charge. That is pretty impressive. No cotter pins, no safety wire. Alright. Okay, so I've got all of this disconnected. Next we need to do that, and there's a little bit on the inside. There's two screws going in the firewall from there and two going from below. So I'm just going to take those out and then we can move the wheel back. I've been a little busy neglecting my filming duties. I got the front off. We've got the bolts going down to the frame out. We've got the bolt going through the frame out. We've got the U-joint torque tube released. We've got the wishbone underneath released, and I have drained something out of the crankcase, and I think we are ready to pull this out. We got to go up to free the bolts in the frame. They're off, they're just in there still. Coming up. Okay, now we got the right hole. You never want to use the wrong hole.
100% Moon River.
Nope. You need to slide you forward. What on earth is holding you in? And of course the camera battery has to die. Come on. There's a reason I'm doing this, trust me. Come on. Oh, come on. One will come out easy. Another will come out hard. This one is being a hard one. Good grief. Why are you being difficult? Why are you being difficult? Never did nothing to you. Why are you being so difficult? I'm trying to help you. This is why you need two of those eye hooks. Or the bar thing. I've seen some people use the bar thing. That might be worth looking into. Good grief. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Going down. Hopefully very, very, very slowly. Okay. Good grief. Let's see what we got over here. We made a little mess. Probably making more mess now. We'll go over the oil when I get the pan out. But it's out and now I've got to put it on the stand. So let's do that. Okay, somebody's been in this. Tell by the bolts. But now that it's not in the card, I'm not likely to burn the car to the ground. Moved half a hole. Grief. I win. Okay, I think we're going to stop here. Ooh, that was a lot of work. We're going to stop here and pick up in the next video. So, see you then. Thanks for watching.